Right on. Got a bench. Oh yeah. Torque wrench. Tire pressure monitor sensor. What do we got here? Oh, Nexic battery. Oh my gosh, there's the helmet I need right there. Sitting on this truck. That one's been on back order 6 months, sitting right there.
Sorry, Mikey, what's that?
That helmet I've been looking for, it's been on back order.
Dude, you can have it.
Just taking a quick video. Ooh, we got 2 workstations. I think I got that sold. What's this, a hutch for flat black?
Flat black.
I just sold that box to someone. Who did I sell it to? We got a little plasma tire machine. Let's see if we can sell that to Kevin Peach. Hell, we'll sell him the damn balancer too. We sell that to Mark Kate. Holy smoke. Got a 140, a big 140. Right on, and that's a flat back, triple bank, KRL. Alright. We can do it.